Hey children, hear the times you almost die without knowing. Number 6. The danger triangle. You're staring in the mirror, and there it is, a massive angry zit right on your nose. You decide to squeeze it until it pops, and it's satisfying, right? Nope. This area, from the bridge of your nose to the corners of your mouth, is called the danger triangle. The veins here lead directly to your brain. If bacteria from your fingers gets in that open wound, it can cause a brain infection or a blood clot that's literally fatal. You're not just clearing your skin, you're opening a highway for bacteria to your skull. And there are actual cases that people die from this. Next time, let it be. A white head is better than a brain abscess. Number 5, brain freeze. You're crushing a milkshake way too fast, and suddenly your forehead feels like it's being hit with an ice pick. Most of us laugh off a brain freeze, but for some, that sudden cold shock can trigger the vagus nerve. This nerve controls your heart rate, and an intense chill can cause your heart to skip a beat or go into a dangerous irregular rhythm called an arrhythmia. It's rare, but your body's ice cream headache is actually your nervous system screaming in panic. Number 4, wearing wet socks. You got caught in the rain, and now your socks are soaking wet. You're too lazy to change them, so you just keep them on for the rest of the day. Sounds harmless, right? But you're inviting a nasty guest called trench foot. When your feet are damp for too long, the skin starts to die and the blood flow stops. If left long enough, it leads to gangrene, which is literally rotting flesh. People have actually lost toes and feet just because they didn't bother to put on dry socks. If your feet are wet, dry them off, you nasty child. Number 3, deep cleaning with Q-tips. Nothing feels better than using a Q-tip after a shower. You're just trying to get that itch, but you're basically playing operation with your hearing. Your ear canal is a dead end, and that cotton swab is a battering ram. You think you're cleaning wax, but you're actually pushing it deeper, or worse, one slip away from puncturing your eardrum. A ruptured eardrum isn't just painful. It can lead to permanent hearing loss or a middle ear infection that spreads to your brain. Your ears are self-cleaning, so stop treating your head like a construction site. Number 2, cutting mold off bread. You're making a sandwich and notice a tiny green fuzzy spot on the edge of the bread. You just cut that piece off and think, it's gonna be all right, right? But mold is like an iceberg. What you see on the surface is just the tip. By the time the fuzz appears, microscopic roots called hyphae have already turned the entire loaf into a subterranean fungal network. Some molds produce mycotoxins that can cause respiratory issues or even organ damage over time. If you see mold on one slice, the whole bag belongs in the trash. Don't eat the invisible fungus. Number 1, cold water shock. It's a blistering hot day, and you see a refreshing lake or pool. So you jump in, expecting a refreshing splash, but the second you hit the water, you lose control. This is cold water shock. Your body's immediate reflex is to gasp for air. If your head is underwater when that gasp happens, you'll inhale a lungful of water instantly. It also causes your heart rate to skyrocket, which can lead to a heart attack even in young, healthy people. Don't dive headfirst into the water. Wade in slowly so your body doesn't panic and drown you. If you want to watch more video like this, subscribe to my channel. See you.